Traffic alert, Sanral warns motorists of barriers on N2 in Pongola. The South African National Road Agency, Sanral, has warned motorists of barriers that will be placed on the N2 southbound shoulder of the Phongolo River Bridge as part of ongoing infrastructure repairs. The barriers will be placed on the southbound shoulder between Tuesday, January 16, 2024, and Thursday, January 18, 2024. Sanral Eastern Region Project Manager Serisha Sukraj said that during this period, traffic will be accommodated using a stop-go control between 9 o'clock and 1500 hours. Motorists have since been advised to plan their routes accordingly and allow for extra travel time, especially when accessing travel hubs such as airports. We appeal to road users to adhere to the road signs and speed limit when approaching and traveling through the construction site. Sanral apologizes for any inconvenience this may cause and ask for your understanding as we work to make the necessary upgrades, Sukraj said. Sanral has also confirmed that toll fee collections at the N2 Othongathi North ramps in KwaZulu-Natal will resume on Monday, January 15, 2024. This follows the reopening of the M4 Tongat River Bridge on December 14, 2023. The collection of toll fees on the N2 Othongathi North ramps was suspended following the devastating April 2022 floods in KwaZulu-Natal. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.